Today, what I'm going to show you is Llama Coder, which now has Deepseek version 3, the new API from Deepseek, integrated directly inside it. So you can get access to Llama 3, Qwen 2.5 Coder, and also Deepseek version 3 completely for free. So what we can do inside here is we can say, for example, build me a budgeting app as a totally random example, and then we're going to hit enter like so. Bear in mind, we literally just gave it like one single line, one single prompt. Very, very simple, but it worked beautifully. So, for example, let's test this out. And you can see the UI looks super nice and clean. So we're going to enter an amount just randomly. We'll enter the description. So, for example, SEO expenses for Goldie agency. Really simple and easy to do. And it didn't take much time at all. Let's try something else now. Now, what we're going to test is we're going to test out the Llama 3.3 API right here, which you can also get access to for free. And I'm going to say SaaS landing page. So a landing page for a SaaS business, it includes a clear value proposition in prominent hero section, concise feature overviews, testimonials, and pricing, and a clear call to action button leading to a free trial demo. We're going to create that with Llama 3.3 as we suggested, along with creating it high quality but slower. So these are the settings that I'm using for this. All right, so here we have the SaaS landing page, as you can see. And you can see as we scroll down, it's created like some nice icons, nice logos, etc. Is creating a nice little testimonial page section right here. And also we've got the pricing and then the ready to get started start free trial link. So actually pretty decent, better than I expected. Now, if we do compare it versus the output of the paid tool, which is Bolt.new, honestly, I'm going to say the UI looks a lot nicer with Bolt.new. But at the same time, you could probably go back and forth with Llama Coder and ask it to improve the brand colors. However, the difference here is that this is generated with a paid tool and has a lot more project files, as you can see on the code section here. So you got all these different files involved. Whereas if you go back to Llama Coder, you've just got this one single code file and it's really simple and easy to host. And additionally, the design is not bad at all, to be honest with you. One thing I'm going to warn you is like, just because it worked for me in this instance doesn't mean it's going to work perfectly every single time. So just something to be aware of, like AI does make mistakes. Make me a quiz app about SEO. Make sure to give the user an explanation on question, whether they got it right or wrong, keep a score going. I'm actually going to just test out Qwen 2.5 Coder as well, just test this out, see how that performs. Seems to go pretty fast actually when it's using Qwen 2.5, so that's something to note too. Let's see what the output is like. I mean, the output is really nice. So now what we're going to test is side-by-side testing the Llama Coder versus Bolt.new. So I'm going to type in the exact same prompt side-by-side, and let's see what we got back from Bolt.new. Let's test it out. So what does SEO stand for? Search engine optimization. It highlights it green, gives us the next question. That's pretty nice to be fair. Let's test this one out. So I'm going to say, what is the primary purpose of meta descriptions in SEO? I think this actually be really good for like building training materials for your team or creating lead magnets for your website as well. Let's answer this now. And this is pretty nice too. It works. So they both work side by side. I mean, honestly, the UI is very, very similar between both of these. But again, this is a paid tool on Bolt.new and Llama Coder is completely free to use. Now, if you want to actually share your project with someone else, you can click on share like so. That'll publish it. And then what you can see here is that we get a link back to the quiz. So it's hosted, as you can see right here, and you can just share this with people, right? Which is pretty cool. Let's try something a bit more complex now. We'll switch back to Deepseek version 3 just to get a better output. And I'm going to say create a beautifully designed SEO calculator, SEO optimized for the keyword with actual content on the page. Keyword equals SEO calculator. Link to this, change the brand colors, and add more content to the page. Yeah, so you can see here, like it's actually cut off when it comes to creating something more complex than a quiz or a basic app. So in terms of use cases, I would say it's great for creating apps, building your own tools, giveaways for lead magnets, training quizzes for your team. It's not great for actually building like exact match domains and full pages. Here we've actually built a Pomodoro timer, right? So I said, make a beautiful Pomodoro timer where I can adjust the length of the focus and time and the break, and it'll beep when done, right? So this actually creates something really nice here. So we've got the Pomodoro timer, you've got a choice between focus and break, and then you can set the times, hit start, and you're good to go on that. And you see it's actually working, like it's counting down and that sort of thing. You might say, okay, but how do I edit some of this stuff? One of the best things about this is the simplicity of it. So for example, if we say change the heading to my amazing blog, we can quickly make some edits on the project. Now, if you want to run this locally, all you do is you go to clone the GitHub like so. So if we go to terminal, clone the repo, like you can see right here, that's going to host it. Then you're going to create a .env file and add your Together AI API key. If you want to get access to that, You just go to together.api, sign in, grab the API key, and then you can grab this directly from API together.ai, and then you can see this is hosted locally now, right, as well. Now, if you want like the full terminal commands that I used to run this, then feel free to get that link in the comments description to my free course. And if you go to free SEO tools, then Llama Coder, you'll be able to get access to this. But yeah, that was super simple and easy to set up, like you can see. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get access to all the steps that I use to build websites, SEO tools, apps, etc., you can get that inside my free SEO course, including how to host Llama Coder locally. And that's going to be inside my free SEO course. So if you go to the free SEO course, this comes with over 211 lessons on how to do SEO, including how to use AI for keyword research, link building, content creation, etc. If you scroll down to the free SEO tools section, as you can see right here, this category, there's loads of other free SEO tools that you can use with AI, and you'll see all the video notes inside the Llama Coder section from today right there, along with all my best tips on AI agents, Gemini Coder, etc. All this stuff is right here for you. And if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to get that link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visits a month and generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of SEO link building. We'll answer any questions you have. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building and how to stand SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Feel free to get that link in the comments description. Appreciate you watching. Bye bye.